From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Westin Boyd here with your Monday morning forecast. Starting off with the current conditions over Beaver Stadium, we have been seeing rain this morning. A light drizzle has kind of been sitting in the region for the past couple of hours, and temperatures are relatively mild out there this morning. We're sitting at 48 degrees currently, and breezy winds are already beginning to pick up out of the west at 16 miles per hour right now. This is owing to a cold front that has moved through the region over the past 24 hours, which I'll mention quite a bit today. So taking a look at the current temperatures in the state of Pennsylvania, we are seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 40s in much of the western tier of the state. And however, in the eastern tier of the state, those temperatures are still relatively warm, sitting in the mid to even the upper 50s, 57 in Philadelphia right there. So even though a cold front has kind of moved through, it still hasn't quite reached the eastern tier of the state quite yet. As you can see with this 24-hour temperature change, we are seeing temperature drops of almost 20 degrees in the past 24 hours in the western tier of the state. But as kind of that air moves through, the warmer air has kind of been pushed out to make way for that cold front, and that's why we are seeing the increase of temperatures, ever so slight, but it is still there in the eastern half of the state. And once again, most of the state right now is seeing precipitation, some form of rain. As you can see, kind of the whole state is seeing this right now. And there is a band of heavy precipitation currently working its way in the north central area of the state. But this rain should retreat in the next couple of hours to make way for a dry rest of the Monday. And as you can see, this is kind of a broader system that's kind of spinning in the northeastern U.S. right now, bringing precipitation to New England, New York, and Ontario, Canada. We are in a relative state of drought right now. In Pennsylvania, more or less, but more so the northeast is really going to need this rain that this system will bring. But whatever rain we do see in the Commonwealth will help to alleviate the drought conditions, however moderate they are. And once again, I mentioned that we are seeing breezy winds right now. This will continue throughout the afternoon. It will be quite breezy, quite gusty, with sustained winds predicted to be anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour, depending on where you are in Pennsylvania. The winds will die down tonight, though, and for the rest of the week, we will see some sustained winds, but nothing as extreme as today, with winds expected to peak at 10 miles per hour on Tuesday and 14 on Wednesday. We're looking at Wednesday afternoon right now. And those wind gusts will be quite severe, with wind gusts predicted from anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour throughout the rest of the day. So if you have any outdoor furniture, anything outside that might blow away, be sure to secure it in preparation for this afternoon. And once again, those winds will die down tonight. So you really only have to worry about this for this afternoon. Taking a look at the precipitation, what we can expect in the future, the precipitation will work its way out of the region in the next couple of hours, making way for a dry rest of the Monday. Some spotty clouds, but mostly clear skies as we look forward to Monday night. Making way for a sunny start to the Tuesday before the next kind of band of slight precipitation and brief showers moves its way from west to east across the state on Tuesday late morning, early afternoon. That will kind of sweep through, and then the next chance for precipitation on Tuesday will be Tuesday evening, where we'll see some more spotty showers pop up. This will yield partly cloudy skies Tuesday night, and then the cloud cover really begins to increase on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll also see some lake effect showers beginning to take place as the colder air kind of moves over the warmer lake temperatures on the shorelines of Lake Erie. And even though we have seen this cold front move through over the past 24 hours, bringing down those temperatures will remain above average ever so slightly for the next 6 to 10 days. So it may feel like fall now, but those winter temperatures will have to wait until a future week. And so to wrap up, what we can expect for the next couple of days, those AM morning rain showers for today, a high of 56 expected, the breezy winds out of the west at 18 miles per hour predicted here in State College, and an almost certain chance of precipitation. For tonight, we will see mostly clear skies, and with that, a decrease in temperatures. A low of 37 is expected for State College. a relative die down in winds and a lower chance of precipitation. For tomorrow, we will see spotty showers, especially in the afternoon, a high of 62. Once again, a sunny start to the morning as well, and a slight chance of precipitation. Looking forward to the next 7 days, what we can expect, the rain Monday morning and Tuesday afternoon, a relative cool down in temperatures, that fall-like feel really starting to set in with temperatures predicted to peak in the lower 50s as we move forward with the rest of the week, and the morning temperatures and overnight temperatures dipping down into the upper and even mid 30s as we close out the rest of the week, with mostly cloudy skies expected to dominate Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Westin Boyd. Have a great rest of your Monday.